Welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can turn off iPhone 12. This is actually applicable to other versions of iPhone, so make sure to follow along. First, using the buttons, press and hold the volume up or down button and the side button together for a few seconds until the power off slider appears. Slide to power off. Now to turn off without buttons, go to Settings, then General. Scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone and tap on shutdown. Slide to power off. You can also use Siri. Just ensure Siri is enabled in settings. Say, "Hey Siri, power down," and confirm when prompted. That's it. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.